Today, we're diving into Chapter 2 of An Independent Consultant Step by Step. This chapter is all about understanding the government requirements for setting up your consulting business in Canada. Let's get started. First up, obtaining an HST number. Your consulting business is likely to earn more than $30,000 in gross revenue over 4 consecutive calendar quarters, so you are going to need to register for an HST number. To register, visit the CRA's Business Registration online portal. You'll need your business number, legal and operating names, business address, and other details. You should have this already if you completed activities from Chapter 1. Choose your reporting period and submit your application. From our experience, filing quarterly is ideal. Next, setting up payroll. Even if you're the only employee, setting up payroll is crucial. It allows you to pay yourself a salary, contribute to the Canada Pension Plan, and remit income tax deductions to the CRA. Trust us, you don't want to pay all your taxes at the end of each year. You can choose a payroll system, whether manual, software-based like QuickBooks, or an outsourced payroll service. Determine your pay schedule and calculate deductions for income tax, CPP contributions, and optional employment insurance premiums. Note: owners can't collect and shouldn't pay EI premiums. Finally, understanding your tax obligations. As a corporation, you'll need to file a T2 return annually, remit HST based on your reporting period, and submit payroll remittances. Don't forget to issue T4 and T5 slips by the end of February each year. Additionally, open a separate business bank account, use accounting software, and hire a bookkeeper. You can also consult other professionals such as accountants and chartered accountants to ensure compliance and optimize your tax strategy. Remember to verify any provincial or territorial regulations that may apply to your business. Each province may have additional rules regarding registration, taxation, and employment standards. By following these steps, you'll ensure your consulting business is legally compliant and positioned for long-term growth and credibility. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on building a successful consulting business.